Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on. Libra, air sign. What's going on? Libra, what are the messages for Libra? Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Strength, lot of cards. But I am not taking because the Magician and Eight of Cups is here. Maybe separation, someone is walked away. It could be you or your person. Nine of Pentacles. Four of Wands on Hierophant. Seven of Wands. I think it's you, maybe. Libra, you are very defensive. Maybe you are concentrating on your career. You don't want to give up on your career because you're working hard towards your goals and you will achieve whatever you want. For some, if you really want your person back, if you are in separation, you won't give up on them. This is where. For some, very few are very defensive. You are not available to your person. Very few for them. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your reading recent past. Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles, the Strength. Yeah, I think you are not talking to your person. There is no contact situation between you and your person. And five of Pentacles, cold shouldering, separation. Maybe your person is not treating you well. They may be in and out of your life. Yeah, but you undergoing some healing and you heal also because Four of Swords. You are undergoing some meditation. You are doing meditations and you overcome the separation pain and you stand by your power. The Strength card is here. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So right now what's going on? Nine of Pentacles, Four of Wands and Hierophant. I think you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, you achieved, you concentrating on your career and you are getting financial abundance. A lot of abundance is coming in your way and you are no more dependent on anyone either emotionally or financially, Libra, because look, you are very attractive. And Four of Wands and Hierophant. I think someone is coming back to offer this commitment and marriage to you. It could be new person or past person. Maybe if you are not in the relationship, I think this relationship is going to be next level, your relationship, because Four of Wands with the Hierophant, marriage. If you are in relationship with your person, they want to marry you. They want to take this to next level. If you are in separation, someone is ready to offer commitment here. Four of Wands with the Hierophant. But when it is happening, when you stand by your power, when you are very grounded, you are no more dependent. In near future, definitely Three of Cups, Six of Swords and King of Swords. Maybe I am getting you decided to move on from this person. You are not going to accept this offer. Three of Cups. Yeah, you are celebrating your life due to financial success, career success. Some celebrations are coming. For some, you will accept this person offer. For some, you decided to move on because Six of Swords with King of Swords. Yeah, maybe they are coming to fix the things between both of you, but you cut them off because you only the person always investing the connection. There is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is very selfish. They taking you as a granted. Definitely, this could be long distance relationship. Both live in different cities or different countries, different states. Yeah, in past they did not treat you well, but now they're coming back to offer this stability and marriage, whatever. But I think you are no more dependent on anyone because you stand by your power. You are very grounded. But someone is coming back to fix the things, what I'm getting here. But you decided to move on. For some, maybe you will give another chance. It depends. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So first we will see Justice. Definitely they want second chance with you. Now they are realizing your worth, Libra. So first we will see your person current feelings. Then Libra, your person current feelings. See, Ace of Swords, communication, Queen of Wands, Two of Swords. Yeah, maybe your person is juggling between, they're juggling between head over their head, and Queen of Wands. Yeah, maybe your person may be fire sign. They also stand by their power. Maybe there are some ego problems also between you and your person. Yeah, but Ace of Swords, truth coming out. There is some communication, some messages coming in your way. They want to communicate their feelings. Still, maybe your person at some crossroads. Yeah, Two of Swords. But I want one clarification card for Queen of Wands. Yes, Princess of Swords. So what I'm getting here, they may be spying on you on social media. Princess of Swords, yeah, some message, some communication. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Those are their feelings. So action wise, let's see. I think you both are strong soulmate connection. Maybe twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, there is a lot of passion is there. Some message, some communication. Definitely they did something wrong to you. High Priestess under the deck. This time your person listened to their inner voice. Now they're realizing you both. They did something wrong to you because 7 of Swords energy. They may be cheated on you or lied to you, telling lies. Maybe for some it could be third party situation also. That's why maybe you decided to move on from this person even though they're coming back for some. Yeah, Princess of Wands, definitely communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. And yeah, one person is very good looking also. Yeah, Four of Wands, I think you both are strong twin flame connection, what I'm seeing here. But they did something wrong to you. They know. That's why they're coming back. Yeah, they're spying on you. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, because Two of Swords, they're juggling. So the person involved in this connection could be strong air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Libra. Yeah, maybe your person have options. I want clarification card for 6 of, yeah, Temperance. Maybe they are fantasizing about you a lot. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you because they know you decided to move on from this person. You are not giving any attention to them. That's why they know they did something wrong to you. That's why they are waiting patiently for the right time, the Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, maybe for some your person have options also. That's why they are juggling. But end of the day, they want success in this connection. 6 of Wands. Communication. Yeah, they're ready to offer it. I think in past under the deck, 2 of Cups. Definitely you both have love for each other, and this is a mutual love between both of you. Yeah, 8 of Wands with 6 of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person really want to offer equal give and take, and lots of communication is coming in your way. They want to express their true feelings with you. Yeah, they want success in this connection. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So what's I'm seeing, the outcome, there is communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, they're coming back and they're spying on you on social media. Maybe they are taking their time to come towards you because the Temperance, they're patiently waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, I am seeing you both will communicate very soon. There is communication. Yeah, they're ready to offer equal give and take. What I'm getting here. Now they're realizing you both. Now they're feeling regret for what they did to you. Because 7 of Swords energy. Yeah, communication, some message. Under the deck, 2 of Cups. You both have strong feelings for each other. You both have love for each other. So let's see your overall energy. Libra. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability. King of Pentacles. Yeah, you are feeling stuck. You're also thinking about them a lot. Yeah, you are feeling sad for the separation, but you've overcome the pain. 7 of Cups. Maybe you're seeing other options. Maybe you're seeing, you are concentrating on your career. Yeah, you also have options, but you are feeling separation, but you've overcome that pain. Someone is coming back to offer. This is your person, King of Pentacles. Under the deck, Princess of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. but it's up to you. I think you decided to move on. You are not trusting them. You person, 10 of Pentacles, they're ready to offer stability. They're ready to work on this relationship, 8 of Pentacles, because they have strong emotions for you. Yeah, they're ready to offer commitment. See how these cards are related to each other. I think in past there are commitment issue. They are non-committal to you, but now they really want to commit to you because they have strong, now they're realizing your worth after the separation. When you decided to move on from this person, then they're realizing your worth. They're ready to offer to work on this relationship seriously, but it is very slow moving energy. That's why the Temperance is there. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability. Then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Libra. The energy is gaining momentum. Yeah, I think the energy between both of you is gaining momentum. Some communication is going to be happen if you are in separation. If you are in no contact, definitely some communication, some movement is coming in your way. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.